Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Handycam and preparing media. Make sure the battery is charged to 100% or connect the AC adapter. Insert an SD or SDHC/SDXC card and format it in camera so file structure is correct. Once done, remove the lens cap and switch to camera mode. This engages autofocus and exposure presets. You should also set the date/time. This keeps your files organized. These first steps get the camera ready and prevent recording interruptions or corrupt files. Next, configure image and sound for your shoot. Pick auto for quick results, manual when you control shutter and iris, or program for a mix. You want to test autofocus, then switch to manual focus for complex scenes, lock focus when framing your subject. For audio, select the internal mic or an external input, adjust levels to avoid clipping, and enable wind reduction outdoors. Also set white balance and picture profile. These choices shape final footage and save time in editing. Hit REC and keep an eye on the red recording light and timer. This confirms capture. During takes, use the LCD or viewfinder to confirm framing, then stop and review clips periodically, mark good takes, and immediately copy files to a backup drive when possible. If recording fails, make one quick troubleshooting check. Verify battery charge and card lock, confirm the lens isn't obstructed, and reset settings if behavior is odd. If audio is missing, recheck mic selection and input levels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.